We put in a Wi-Fi system 18 years ago. Eventually, it aged out. You had all these IoT devices that are running around the yard, and the Wi-Fi was kind of fading out and not performing as well as it should. We just bought SIM cards for all these devices. The issue that we have is it's not great coverage. So oftentimes it's switching from one carrier to another, and sometimes when that happens, then it drops and they have to re-log in. So it was causing, performance issues for the users. Having this 5G, as you can imagine, having your own private cellular tower in your own space, now you've got great coverage, and now your devices are getting the connectivity that they need. And now we can expand on that as well.
When you build a private network, you want good coverage. Coverage is a function of both ends. The tower, if you like, or the RAN has to provide the coverage. But the endpoint, which is where we come in, has to be able to hear and reply back, if you will. Being able to cover something like a port, which is very difficult. You've got huge piles of containers everywhere. You've got canyons effectively between them. A really great project for showcasing the use of cellular in a private environment.
So at the port, Khasm Labs deployed a private network focusing on N48 and Band 48 network, and utilized multiple devices from Inseego to deliver connectivity for endpoint devices like tablets, utilizing our MiFi hotspot products, and in the carpeted spaces they use the FX3110. And the fringe areas, they deployed the FW3000, FW2000 product to be able to bring that network connectivity into devices where they might not have been close enough previously.
So Wi-Fi just doesn't work. In order to cover it everywhere, it takes a lot of access points, which means a lot of wiring, etc. So just Wi-Fi, we just know does not work in those large areas. Inseego is known in the market. They're, obviously tried and true, proven as a device manufacturer. It's not just, something like these MiFis. We're using a bunch of their products.
With Inseego, it was plug and play easy. We didn't really have to do much. We've extended connectivity to them and to their employees out in the yard seamlessly and easily. The only thing they've got to now worry about is making sure those Inseegos are charged. And that's a pretty good place to be, in my opinion.
The main equipment that we use are the hotspots. These are the ones that we put into our vehicle mounted terminals. Basically, they're small laptops in our pickup trucks that unfortunately are too old to be able to use the 5G network natively. So with the Inseego devices, it makes use of that faster 5G network. Our people here, they love the devices. They love the Inseego hotspots. People will look for trucks that have the hotspots because they know those are the ones that have the consistent connection.
It certainly helps the morale of users. As you can imagine, users get frustrated very easily when technology doesn't perform the way that it should or they expect. And so that certainly does help. It's been a great experience. This proof of concept has just been so valuable to us. The cellular coverage needed has certainly been a challenge. And having our own private network in our own backyard is a great asset.